Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to customize new order email template in WooCommerce WordPress using WooCommerce Email Customizer Pro plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So now we are using YayMail Pro WooCommerce Email Customizer plugin. And you will find plugin link in our video description. So this is plugin we are using and you will find plugin link in video description. Now back to plugin. So we are going to customize new order email template in WooCommerce WordPress. Now you see start customizing. So click on it. So we are in WooCommerce email customizer and then you see multiple option. Now you see new order, email to show. So you can select according to your requirement. Now I select new order email template and then you see sample order to show. So click on it. Now in drop down list you see all our orders. So if you want you can select any. Now click on it and then you see send test email. If you want you can create blank, import template, reset template. So it's up to you. And then you see enable this template. Now we are going to customize it. On left side you see elements, then you see basic, logo, email heading, image. If you want you can add elements in new order template. Scroll down, you see general, you see multiple option, WooCommerce, shipping address, billing address, and then you see blocks. So click on it. Now you see feature product, simple offer. And then you see setting, so click on it. Now you see general, email setting, enable disable template, reset template. So you can do setting according to your requirement. Now you see WooCommerce logo. So we are going to add our logo. Now click on it. Now you see image URL, you see alignment. So you can add logo according to your requirement. Now click on change image. So this is our logo. I select it and then you see use this image. So click on it. Now you see logo is changed. So you can upload logo according to your requirement and then you see width. So you can increase or decrease width according to your requirement. And then you see background color. If you want you can select. Now you see. And if you want you can add URL link for this logo. And then you see new order. So click on it. Now you see text color, font family, content, you see multiple option and then you see new order. If you want you can replace this text according to your requirement and then you see shortcode YayMail _order _ID. So you can add text according to your requirement. Now you see another text. So click on it. Now you see you have received the following order. So you can customize according to your requirement and then you see 3 dots. So click on it. If you want you can duplicate it, copy this element. If you want you can remove it and then you see order 1. So click on it. You see order item title, cost title, product title, then you see quantity title. Now you see cost. So you can add text according to your requirement. Products. Now you see as added. Now scroll down, you see different title. So you can add text according to requirement. And then scroll down, you see billing address. Now you see total title, quantity title. Now click on billing title. Now you see background color, title color, text color, border color. Also you see padding. So you can customize this setting according to requirement. Now you see font family, billing title, shipping title. Again click on it. Now you see text. Again you see 3 dots. If you want you can duplicate this section. Now scroll up. Now you see. If you want you can change background color, text color like red or brown like this. Now back to WooCommerce email customizer elements. So click on it. Now you see we are in elements. If you want you can add more element like image. Now you see If you want to delete, click and then remove. Yes. Now you see button. If you want, you can add button. So you can drag and drop according to your requirement. Now you see click me and then you see setting. So click on it. Now you see general setting. So click on it. Now you see container width. If you want, you can increase it. Now you see. So you can set position according to your requirement. And then you see display payment instruction and detail only for customer. So you can select yes, no. Now you see show product image. So enable this option. Now select image position, thumbnail, image height and width, and then you see show product description. So you can enable or disable option according to requirement. And then you see show product hyperlink, SKU enable, regular price, item cost, and then you see email setting. So click on it. So we are customizing new order email template by using YayMail WooCommerce email customizer plugin. So this is pro plugin we are using. And then you see background color. And then you see email content background color. So you can set according to requirement. Then you see text link color. And then you see enable disable template. So click on it. Now you see new order. So enable this template. Now you see. So we are using this template. And then you see multiple options. So scroll down. You see reset template. If you want, you can reset it. And then you see preview. So click on it. So this is our format. Now click on save. Now loading. Now email has been saved. So now we are going to check. Now go to website. Now we are in shop page. And then we are going to add product. Add to cart. Now product added. Go to checkout page. Now we are in checkout page. And then we are in billing address. Scroll down. And then click on continue. Again click on continue. So we have product in checkout page. And then you see subtotal. Check payment method. And then check this. And then we are going to place order. So click on it. Now you see message. Thank you. Your order has been received. Order number, order detail. Now we are going to open Gmail and check new email template for new order. Now go to Gmail. Now you see we receive new order email when customer purchase some item from our shop. Now you see new order. And then you see product. Now you see title. So you can customize new order email by using plugin according to requirement. Now scroll up. You see background color change, logo edit, also you see link, and then you see button. Back to WordPress dashboard. Now we are in YayMail WooCommerce email customizer. So we added logo, button. So you can add elements according to your requirement. So you can customize text. So you can edit titles. You can add more blocks. So it's up to you. So you can customize any email template. Now you see processing order, order on hold, failed order. So you can enable from here. And you will find plugin links in video description or in comment section. So we are using this pro plugin to customize email templates. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.